Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know miter flange. First of all, we create base flange. I select top plane, sketch, normal, rectangle, center rectangle, draw one rectangle, right click, select option, go to smart dimension 150 mm and this side is 80 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now select base flange or tab, perimeter 1.2 mm, K factor 0.5. OK. Now select edge flange and create edge flanges at height 40 mm. OK. Now select miter flange and select this face, normal, and here create a line from here to here, and you can also create a arc. Right click, select option. Now select miter flange. From here you can set the gap distance, and here is the option flange options: material inside, material outside, bend outside. I select material inside, and here are start and offset. If I select 2 mm, it will start 2 mm away from starting point. And offset, I select 5 mm, it will end 5 mm offset from here to here. OK. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.